It began as a day like any other for Sharon Calder, a craft vendor who operates in Montego Bay, St. James. Like clockwork, she was out early to head to her craft shop, but gunmen would not have it. It's understood that about 3:45 this morning, Miss Calder and her common-law husband, Richard Foster, were making their way through Mango Walk Lane in Mountainside when loud gunshots were heard. When the shooting ended, the body of Miss Calder was seen by residents in the lane. Her common-law husband was found meters away in bushes. It has left the once quiet St. Elizabeth community in shock. Her brother, Carlton Calder, is hoping that those responsible for her murder will be caught and brought to swift justice.
Market am going selling basket, you know. Craft market, you know. She was selling basket at market and in boyfriend job for us. But I think I'm a madman. When I hear the sound out there, something I go there. But I say to him, they whatever but shut out the madman for. And when I realize I'm boyfriend. You understand me? He's a good man, a nice man. Sweet and nice bossy if you treat him with meter yet. I'm a sister, I'm a good man. I tell you, say I'm good.
Head of the St. Elizabeth Police, Superintendent Coleridge Minto, says this morning's act is surprising as the community has not had any such incidents for over a year.
And so the residents of this area are very concerned and certainly not accustomed to this type of incident in this space. So we're appealing to anyone who may have any information at all on this gruesome act to share with the police any information at all that you have. Doesn't matter how slight it is or how minor you think it is, please share it with the police.
Hal Shane Burke, TVJ News.
So, first of all, I want to say condolences to the family of the soldier. We deeply regret their loss and the loss of his life. What I can tell you at this moment is that the soldiers were responding to a threat, a direct threat at their lives. And in doing so, unfortunately, one of the soldiers was impacted possibly by one of the rounds of the threat forces. He was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital where he was pronounced dead.
We are not deterred. We remain committed to the mission in support of the JCF, and we will continue in our efforts to locate cowards who took the life of our fellow brother.
Whole heap of prayer, man. A lot of prayer. So don't you ever feel like anything that is happening for me is by chance. And I say this to say to you that Tuesday night or Wednesday morning was horrible. But it could have been worse. And it's not by chance that it wasn't worse. Prayer. Years and years of prayer over my life, I tell you. I can't tell you otherwise, you know, man. I see. Yeah, I see. Oh, for his eye on the sparrow, I know you watches. Oh, and I sing because I'm happy. Oh, I sing, Lord, sing because I